it up wherever you want, Michael, whenever you want.
Okay. Hey everyone, so welcome to another MJ haul, another Funko Pop unboxing, another MJ unboxing. So I got a few things. Pretty excited about unboxing them, so I just wanted to share with you guys. So the first thing, let's see, this is a Michael Jackson Funko Pop, Billie Jean. I don't know which one this one is because I got two of the Billie Jeans. There's a regular one and there's an Amazon exclusive one. So this one is the regular one. Here it is. Actually, I'm gonna take him out. Oh, and he has a tile. Well, would have been cool if this actually glowed in the dark. That would have been really cool. Here he is. And he has a bow tie too. That's really cute. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Now I have another Funko Pop. Ooh. This one is sealed. This one I think is the one that's Amazon exclusive. Let me see. Get my box cutter. Here he is. Oh yes, Amazon exclusive. So this one is actually, let me put that to the side, sparkly, which I love. I think I only have one of this one because when I tried to order it, it was actually sold out. So when they came back in stock, I got me one. I'll probably have to get another one. Doo-doo. He is. Oh my goodness, he is so cute. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. I love it. I love him so much. Since I only have one of him, for now, he is gonna stay in the box. Of the other one, I actually got two. Of the regular one, but this exclusive one. Oh, actually, let me show you guys side by side since I already have them out here. So here's a regular one, and here is the Amazon. So this is the regular one, and this is the Amazon one. You see how shiny he is compared to this one? I mean, they're still adorbs. But I love this show. So I only have one of this one. Definitely have to get them. So they go back in the box. Make sure. Let me do that real quick just so it doesn't get damaged. At least put it as plastic. And then he can go on my little display. Next one. Okay. So I'm so happy that they actually released a Michael Jackson off the wall big Funko Pop. So happy about that. I am so happy that they're finally showing some love to Off the Wall. It definitely serves it one of the best albums of all time. So, ooh. Okay, here we go. Da-dum-dum. Here it is. Isn't he cute? Like, he is so adorbs. Look at him, and has like the Off the Wall album picture in the back. He's so cute with his little fro. And if you see his feet, they're actually like crossed in the hands. He's so cute. I love him. I want to take him out, but you can't. But yeah, so that is, I think, all the Funko Pops that I have. So Off the Wall, Billie Jean regular, and Billie Jean Amazon exclusive. And I'll put the links down below. Alright, so the other merch that I have is actually shirts. So Hot Topic be coming in with them amazing shirts, because lately a lot of Michael Jackson merch is only his silhouette, or kind of like a drawing silhouette. But I'm a sucker for Michael Jackson's face, and when his face is on merch, I have to get it. So Hot Topic be doing its thing, so thank you, Hot Topic. And I got this shirt. This shirt. What? I'm so happy about this shirt, because like from this photo shoot, there's not a lot of merch. I didn't even know like they would know that this existed. And from this short film, there's not a lot of stuff. Actually, there's nothing that I know of. So when I saw this, I yelled so loud and had to get it. Guys. What? Michael Jackson Scream shirt? And I love like the font that they use. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cute. I'm in love with this one. This one is $24.90, but sometimes they be having specials and stuff. So make sure to keep an eye on it. But I think it is on their app or on their website. And I just got a new shirt today that just came in, so it's perfect for this video. And okay, it is another Michael Jackson shirt, and oh my god, guys, when I saw this, once again, let me take the size out. Guys, look at this. It's beautiful, and they actually have like the original bad logo. Perfect, because some stuff that we have in the original one. But look at that. Come on. It's huge. It's beautiful. I love it. His face is pictured. This is what we're asking. Like, this is the type of merch that we need, with his beautiful face on it. This one, amazing. Hot Topic, you did amazing. I love it. This one is a rare one for me, like from this photo shoot. I love it. Thank you so much. So I'm super excited about that. But not only Hot Topic, Macy's dropped some Michael Jackson merch. So open my new box of MJ shirts from Macy's. The box from Macy's. Ooh. Yay, thank you, Macy's, for Michael Jackson merch. I can't believe that. So they did this like a few years ago, where they like out of the blue dropped some Michael Jackson merch shirts, really, and they did it again. So I had to get them. Now this is a rare-ish. It's bad. So whoop, whoop, whoop. This is extra large. It's kind of like a crop top-ish. It's kind of short. It's a short shirt. But look at that. Michael Jackson, the king of pop. I love it. I love it. I love the colors. His autograph right there. Woo-hoo! Another one. Another from Macy's. So from this one, I only got one shirt. I got quite a few, so. Michael Jackson. I'm seeing it for the first time, you guys, so. And it has like a little thing in the eye. And again, his face, guys. It's his face. Yes. Merch with his face. Let's go. Love it, love it, love it. This one, when I saw this one, I couldn't believe it. Another rare photo shoot. Like, I was blown away. Oh, this one's kind of thin. Oh, this is a crop top. Look at that. What? Come on now. And it has his autograph right there. So it's kind of like crop top. And it's an extra large, but it's kind of small. but it's okay. We'll figure it out. But I love that photo shoot. It's a rare one. Again, Michael Jackson. I think it's another crop top, possibly. Yeah. See, but I got these extra large and they're kind of tiny. So these ones run small, but look at it. This one's kind of small and the other one, this one, but I love like this photo shoot. My heart. And this one is a rare picture. I do love them. They're just kind of tiny and they're extra large. So figure that out later. Okay, but next shirt. I'm saying, like, they did really good. Like, Macy's, y'all did y'all thing. Okay, this one, see, extra large. Okay, this one's definitely extra large. But look, he's smiling. You don't see this photo shoot often. So the bad one, actually, the bad is in white. But look, he's smiling. He's so cute. You always see like the serious one, like the Hot Topic one. But he's smiling in this one. I love it. And it's true to size. It's extra large. Okay, next one. Let's do this one. Another one that needs to get more love is Blood on the Dance Floor. We don't get a lot of Blood on the Dance Floor stuff. I did get one a while back from Hot Topic, but we don't get a lot of Blood on the Dance Floor. So this one, if you love this album, if you enjoy it, definitely get you this shirt. And it is really good quality. And you can definitely see his face. So I had to get that one because we don't get a lot of that. I hope, hey, just put it out there. Some Ghost merch, please. Some Invincible, even though MJ Marketplace came through with the Invincible shirts. Another Michael Jackson. This one. Okay, this one, y'all. This one. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We never get this merch. Like, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's his eyes. It's like, it's real. It's a photo. It's not like painting or anything. It's real, y'all. It's so much. I'm so happy. My heart is happy. It's happy, it's happy, it's happy. Okay. Dangerous album cover shirt. It doesn't have the tour dates like the Hot Topic did. But another extra large, but Dangerous album cover. Amazing. Love, one of my favorite album covers of Michael Jackson. And like, I had to get this one because I love this album. And last but not least, I didn't know this was the same picture, but I'm okay with it. So Macy's also has the rare Michael Jackson photo shoot, but this one is like a painting. This is not like a picture, it's a painting. But I thought it was pretty cool. So, what does it say? Michael Jackson, King of Pop. But it's not like a picture. It's more like a painting. But I think it's pretty cool. And yeah. And none of these shirts have anything in the back. So I know like quite a few people love when shirts have things on the back. But this one doesn't. But yes, I like it. I like it. Like I said, not the picture, but it's still pretty cool. I love it says King, and then the of is like a crown. So guys, Macy's, yo, thank you Macy's so much. I purchased this, but I'm just saying thank you for releasing and dropping this merch. This is not sponsored or anything like that. These crop tops, these are extra large, but they're pretty tiny, so just an FYI. Those two are Macy's, Macy's, and Macy's. Hot Topic picture. See? Serious Michael, Hot Topic. And then the Funko. This is Amazon only exclusive, and then the other two are either Funko.com. They do have them on Amazon. Hot Topic also has them, or at your local record shop or somewhere like that, like FYE or any other stores you might have in your city. But yes, that is my latest Michael Jackson haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. What else? Anything else coming around? No merch dropping anytime soon. So thank you to all the subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for your comments, your likes, your subscriptions. You guys are so awesome, so amazing. And stay tuned for whatever's coming up for the end of the year, because there's some things planned, some trips and stuff. So lots of love. Take care. Bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Michael, you go out.
Yeah.